If you happen to be a family where there are no phones at the dinner table, or you're an entrepreneur going to be hosting events again, then this next product may be a product to consider picking up because it would allow you to be able to charge 6 devices on one. We're talking about the Hercules Tuff Charging Station for mobile devices. We're going to take a look in a second, but this one has 6 USB fast ports. It charges faster, about 58% faster than traditional charges itself. And the fact it's designed to visually tell you when the actual phone is 100% charged. Let's take a closer look to see if this is something that you may be interested in picking up. Now, what I like about this particular product is the fact that it not only comes with this device, and by the way, these little things pop out, and basically when you plug, you put them together, it's relatively easy. Now, what I like about it is that it comes with already 6 I would say small cords for your iOS device. So if you're an iOS family, you don't have to purchase these because they already come with it. But if you happen to be iOS and Android, you can easily plug in your devices onto any of these here. In addition to that, it comes with a 5-foot cord, long cord. Sometimes these devices come with very short cords, so it makes it easy for you to be able to have this sit on your countertop or at your desk, again, if you were looking to charge it. I like this particular one because this allows you to charge your tablets. Sometimes you collect tablets throughout the years that you don't return, or older phones, and so you can easily use that. What I do with this one is I usually have the what do you call it, the power banks that I put in my pocket if I'm going to be out and about, and I just have them sitting here so that it makes it easier for me to just pick them up and pop them into my pocket or my backpack or anywhere, or my briefcase, and not have to worry about, do I need to find a plug to plug in my phone because I have my power bank. So this allows me to just charge everything in one space. Now, what I was mentioning before is that this particular device is designed to visually tell you when your device is completely charged. As you probably see, I'm going to shut this off. It's clear plastic, but when you turn it on, you see this blue illumination that you're seeing right here, right now. This is just telling you that it is on. Now, if I take my phone that I use to move the carousel, you'll see that it will turn on and then turn off, because once it is, oh, sorry, turn on, and then when this goes blank, it means it's 100% charged. So let's take a look. I'm just going to plug this in. Over here, I'm just going to randomly choose this one. And so right now you'll see it says 94% charged. You just see this right here illuminated. And so you could just leave this here for it to be charging, and it'll charge up to 100%. So once it's 100%, it will actually turn back to this color, which is basically, it'll turn the light off. So what I like about this product is that it's designed to visually tell you that your device is 100% charged, and that you don't have to get up from your seat or anywhere else to see whether or not it is fully charged. Now, I don't think it has the technology to tell you when it's 50% charged in case you're at 15% and you want 50 or 20, but the fact that it will tell you that it's 100% charged is definitely better than nothing, because now it'll tell you visually and you're not having to constantly get up. So this allows you to have that flexibility of being able to have your devices charged and visually tell when it's 100% charged itself. So if you're on the market for getting a kind of multi-charging station, a multiple device charging station, then this is one to consider picking up.